Helo, siwmai, Thomas dwi, a heddi dyn ni'n edrych ar uned 12 yn y cwrs mynediad, uned 12, 12, tudalen 96 a 97, lle dyn ni'n dysgu meddiant, possession. Felly, to say I have a car, mae car gyda fi. Mae car gyda fi. I have a car. Mae car gyda fi. Da iawn. Mae car gyda fi. Mae Fiesta gyda fi. You can personalise your own make. O, posh iawn. Mae Porsche gyda fi. Neis iawn. Mae radio gyda fi. Mae radio gyda fi. I have a bike. Mae beic gyda fi. Mae beic gyda fi. I have a car. Da iawn. Mae car gyda fi. We can get the R like the engine there. Mae car gyda fi. I have a radio. Mae radio gyda fi. A I have a bike. Da iawn chi. Have a listen to the next one. Mae cyfrifiadur gyda fi. Mae cyfrifiadur gyda fi. So, I have a computer. With the long words, the best thing to do is to break up the syllables. Mae cyfrifiadur gyda fi. Mae cyfrifiadur gyda fi. Mae cyfrifiadur gyda fi. Mae cyfrifiadur gyda fi. Cyfrifiadur. Hapus? Mae cyfrifiadur gyda fi. The more you say it, the faster you will go. Mae cyfrifiadur gyda fi. Bendigedig. So mae every time we want to say a statement. Wedyn, for the question, we want oes. Oes. Oes radio gyda ti. Have you got a radio? Oes radio gyda ti. Oes radio gyda ti. Have you got a computer? Oes cyfrifiadur gyda ti. Oes cyfrifiadur gyda ti. Have you got a bike? Oes beic gyda ti. Oes beic gyda ti. And have you got a car? Oes car gyda ti. Oes car gyda ti. Hapus iawn? So mae for the statements and oes for the questions. To answer yes to the question, have you got a car? Oes car gyda ti? Oes car gyda ti? Oes. Oes. Then we can say the full sentence. Oes mae car gyda fi. Oes mae car gyda fi. So ask me the question. Oes mae Lamborghini gyda fi. Da iawn chi. Question, do you have a bike? Oes beic gyda ti? Oes beic gyda ti? Da iawn. And I'm going to say nac oes. Nac oes for the no. Nac oes. Does dim beic gyda fi. I haven't got a bike. Nac oes. Does dim beic gyda fi. So nac oes, does dim for the negatives. Nac oes, does dim. When they're upside down, it's a negative. Nac oes. Does dim car gyda fi. Haven't got a computer. Nac oes. Does dim cyfrifiadur da fi. Nac oes. Does dim radio da fi. Hapus iawn? So when we're making a statement, mai. Mai. When we're asking a question, we want oes. Oes. And to say yes, oes mai. Oes mai. And for no, nac oes, does dim. Nac oes, does dim. Beth yw, I've got a car. Da iawn, mae car gyda fi. Mae car gyda fi. Beth yw, I've got a bike. Da iawn, mae beic gyda fi. Beth yw, I've got a radio. Da iawn, mae radio gyda fi. A beth yw, I've got a computer. Da iawn chi. Mae cyfrifiadur gyda fi. Bendigedig. Felly mae gyda'r positif, ond gyda'r negyddol, which will be upside down, does dim. Does dim. So I haven't got a car. Does dim car gyda fi. Da iawn. Haven't got a bike. Da iawn. Does dim beic gyda fi. Does dim radio gyda fi. A does dim cyfrifiadur gyda fi. Da iawn chi. To ask a question, have you got a car? Oes car gyda ti? Oes car gyda ti? And for yes, oes. Oes. Mae car gyda fi. Mae car gyda fi. And for no, pwy sy'n cofio no? Da iawn. Nac oes, does dim car gyda fi. Bendigedig, felly oes, mai. Nac oes, does dim. So positive. Oes mai. Bendigedig. And with me, gyda fi, like in the question, with you, gyda ti, and wedyn we can use people's names ar gyfer y trydydd person. Felly os dyn ni'n edrych ar y grid yma, mae tic ar bwys enw Thomas. Felly mae teledu gyda Thomas. Mae teledu gyda Thomas. Yr un nesa. Da iawn chi. Mae car gyda Thomas. Mae car gyda Thomas. Yr un nesa. Da iawn. Negyddol fyna. Does dim ci gyda Thomas. Does dim ci gyda Thomas. Yr un nesa. Mae diod gyda Thomas. Da iawn chi. So, mae, the item, gyda, a wedyn y person ar y diwedd. Iawn. And the yeses and nos with every person will be oes a nac oes. So, nawr te, we can run the car with the positive gyda pob person. Mae car gyda fi. I've got a car. You've got a car. Mae car gyda ti. Mae car gyda ti. He's got a car. Mae car gyda fe. She's got a car. Mae car gyda hi. Mae car gyda hi. We've got a car. Mae car gyda ni. Mae car gyda ni. You formal's got a car. Mae car gyda chi. Mae car gyda chi. And they've got a car. Mae car gyda nhw. Hapus? Felly, oes, mae, gyda, wedyn y person. And for no, nac oes. Does dim gyda the person. Hapus iawn? Diolch yn fawr iawn. Hwyl am y tro.